Well, welcome back to Uncle Keith's paint shop at Mitsubishi Colt. Let's go and find Keith. What is going on here? Yes, a Mitsubishi Colt. Now, Keith has worked tirelessly in this paint shop for, I don't know how long, and he's done some fantastic work. So it's always been on the cards that we're going to treat Keith to a bit of time on his own car, which is very rare, isn't it, my friend? So tell me what's going on here.
I think I'm going to do a Nardo grey. I'm very fond of the primer grey colours, and a Nardo grey with a bit of pearl, bit of something in the lacquer, just to give it a little, so it's not flat.
Yeah.
Flat grey.
Well, I don't think I've seen a Nardo grey Ralliart Colt.
Pick something that's different.
Yeah. Well, we know you like Nardo grey. You've had a few cars, and I love it.
Because I was thinking, like, just paint it red, so it's like red.
Yeah.
But then it's just a red Colt, isn't it? It's
yeah.
just
a little bit of something different for Uncle Keith.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so it's got a bit of power now, hasn't it? It's got over 200 brake.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's just squeezed 200, didn't it?
Yeah, just squeezed 200 brake horsepower. So now it's time to, well, certainly make some colours on it.
Make it look nice, and then the engine will seize up.
I hope not. I hope not. But yeah, okay, so what is the plan? The plan is to buzz it down.
Yeah, I'm taking a few bits off. I ain't going crazy. Yeah, and then we're going to address a few areas. There's not much wrong with it. There's a bit of lack of peel here and there. The bonnet's the worst. But
we do suffer the red Ralliarts.
Yeah, I think if we go around it with a DA for a couple of hours and sand a few bits, and I think it'll.
Oh, really looking forward to this one.
Quick. There's a few little dents. The doors are like the rear doors are ripply, but I'm not bothered.
Yeah. Now, for those people who have got Colts,
we're not going for a concourse show.
It tends to be here where they ripple.
Obviously, if there's a dent, an actual dent, I'm going to do a dent. But I'm not going to like prime it and block it and spend 3 weeks trying to get it concourse.
Sure.
It's not that car, is it? It's
no.
Just my daily, drive it to work and back.
Okay, well, really looking forward to this because you know I love a Colt.
Yeah, I love a Colt.
Right, let's do it.
Let's hit it.
Well, next day, and as you can see, the Mitsubishi Colt, it's had a little bit of love. Hey Keith, I thought you weren't going mad with this.
It's half grey, half red.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not going mad. I had the day on it yesterday, and I think I've done quite well in a day. We've done some repairs, fixed a few bits, got rid of a lot of lacquer peel, because obviously people who know these, red's lacquer peel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Well, it's come a long way since yesterday.
I've sort of mixed this to be, well, this has got a guide coat on it, but this is like, would be the actual colour.
Oh, it's going that colour,
This
is it?
would be like sort of the base colour, I think.
Oh, I like it.
Or maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit lighter, but
Okay.
I quite like any primer grey car I see, I like, so.
Yeah, I agree with you.
I don't think we've got a fuss over the actual shade of grey too much.
No, just grey is grey.
Grey, yeah, and then.
But like a matte grey.
Yeah, and then we're going to put a little bit of fairy dust in the lacquer.
Oh.
And,
Okay.
It'll make a nice little job of it, won't it, I think?
All right. Well, we'll come back when it's sort of more uniform, won't we, Richard?
Will do.
You be careful with that masking tape. Ooh. This looks like a Mitsubishi Colt has fell to pieces.
We're in a bit of a mess, ain't we?
Everything's off.
Well, the plan is, because we're not just doing the outside, we're doing the inside.
Ooh.
Because we're colour changing it.
Can't wait to buy this car off you when you finish.
I was just going to rough it and do the outside, but then it would still be red all inside the shuts, wouldn't it? And quite rightly, we should do all. We can do it, so why not? Because obviously we're going to mask it. We're going to do all the shuts and inside of the doors, and then we're going to put them back on.
Do the outside. So you basically said this morning you're going to do this bit, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Cut that out. It'll be there. I'll come and get you and do a little.
Yeah.
I might do that and do the roof because I always like to do the roof separate, so I might do that.
Okay.
because it's just when you're doing the whole car, the dust seems to come off the roof into the rest of it. So I might do that. I might cut the roof out, do the roof.
But it's certainly all in bits, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going mad on this.
We weren't going mad. This would be beautiful, mate. Beautiful.
I'm really looking forward to it. I want to do it with the panels on because we're putting a bit of pearl in the clear coat.
Yeah.
And obviously if I paint that and then I paint, then on the next boom cycle I get the doors in and paint the doors, and then I don't want it to be slightly different. You want the exact same, you want to paint it as like that, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
So because you don't want that to look slightly different to that, because that would be a shame, won't it?
Yeah, I think
So
it's going to
a
look...
bit of a pain in the bum.
I'm excited because of the colour.
We're doing it the right way, I think.
Yeah, I'm excited because of the colour that you've chosen, so really looking forward to it. Right, well, it's early doors, mate. No one's here yet. It's very early, so we shall check back with you in a bit.
I was up and excited.
Yeah, you weed the bed. Right, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Beauty.
It's thin it out again, ain't it? But it's less concentrated. There's more fluid to more.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've seen Keith putting a bit of paint on. Look at that. That's lovely. Keith, where were you up to?
There's a bit of pearl in that. I can't find which is having lamp.
Your daylight torch?
Yeah, we've put one coat with the pearl in.
Yeah.
And now we're just going over with a clear just to clear it and seal it in. You could do two coats in the stuff, but I don't want it to be too overpowering. I want it to be there, but not.
Yeah.
But not like in your face.
It looks fantastic already. Doesn't the Colt look funny without the doors on it? Oh, I can see it. I can see a bit of pearl in that. Yeah.
Look at the grey.
Here, just here.
That's your base grey. And then, can you see the...
Yeah, I can see it.
Just
Like a fish scale.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I can see it. I can see the purple in it and stuff. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
blue and purple.
All right.
So,
Well, I think the next part of the transformation we'll see is when some body panels are back on and it's getting that shh.
yeah, what we're going to do is put the panels in and paint the inside of the panels.
Oh, okay. Yeah, of course.
It's quite a bit of a task because there's 4 doors, tailgate. So we're going to spread them around, paint, and then do the same, paint the insides.
Yeah.
Sort of half build the car back up so then we can paint the car all uniform all the way around.
Got ya.
Because the trouble with having the purling, if you paint this a bit different to that, you can probably get different colours, and I don't want every panel a different colour. So the only way to do it is paint it all at the same time, and then it's exactly the same.
That's called
You
one
can buy-
fell swoop.
And I've done the roof because I can't reach the roof without reaching over. And at the end of the day, if the roof's, I know all the measurements, but if it's a slightly different shape, no one's going to cry about it.
No, okay. Especially as
Well, the enthusiasts.
the enthusiast, mate. But yeah, excellent. Okay, we'll check back up with you when we've got some bits back on the car.
Yeah.
Or we're doing the inside.
I'm doing
Okay.
something else.
Okay. Okie dokie, crack on. Well, we're in the oven, and as you can see, it looks like someone's turned a Mitsubishi Colt 5-door inside out. So, where you started? With the bonnet, underside of the bonnet. Here we go. Scream if you want to go faster. What a colour.
I love it. I love the colour. Good job, really. That's been a waste of time, really.
Yeah. Get in there deep, kid.
There's no factory paint up there, so...
Yeah, well that's Mitsubishi for you. Well, that's it, it's lovely. I think I'll, yeah, we'll have a look at you doing a door, and I think they'll get the idea. I will come back and see Keith in a little while. You can see what he's doing. Well, yes, it's Sunday, and yes, we're at work for some reason, but this is the reason. Why are we at work on a Sunday? But look at that. This is really starting to transform.
Because of this, that's why we're here.
Yeah, this is...
Look at it.
What a colour.
It's wicked polished primer, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to put it in the sun over there in a minute.
You want to put it in the sunshine?
Yeah. I put it sparkly.
Oh, yeah, I suppose so, because all I'm seeing at the moment is your grey.
Yeah.
But yeah, in the sun, it's going to...
Yeah. I'm not even going to wait yet.
Did you have a long night? Was there some rum involved?
No, I didn't actually. I drove, so I didn't drink. But we played some games and Carly had a few, bless her.
Did you play some Twister?
Oh, the logo game.
What? What, with Pepsi and KFC and stuff? Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's good because everyone can sort of, you ain't got to be a brain box to play it.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, well, this is looking amazing. Okay, I'll move my my daily diesel, which I'm about to empty out, and yeah, we'll see it in the sunshine. Let's do it.
Do it.
Okay, so we're fast approaching the full rebuild of putting everything back on it, but it's already started to look incredible. As Keith says, even with the sun and the camera, it is quite difficult to pick up what is a pearlescent that is in this paint. Now, this is paint. This isn't liquid wrap, which we've been doing a lot of. Yeah, this is paint. What colour are we calling this?
Nardo grey.
Nardo grey with a bit of something, something magical in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It is. I think I could just maybe. No, I don't know. It's difficult, isn't it? I can see it. I can see it.
Yeah.
But I don't think the camera can. But it's looking lovely. So we'll see this again when it's built up. Add a nib and a polish and add some window cleaner on it, I think.
Yeah, the windows have got a bit of grime on them.
Do you think we've got time to do the alloys before the end of the video?
Yeah, we want it finished, don't we?
Yeah, so we'll do, yeah. So we're also going to change, Keith's decided on a colour for his alloys. So what are they? Oz? Summit? OZ?
Yeah.
Summit?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Well, if you know what these alloys are in the video, comment below.
Yeah, they are genuine ones.
Yeah, they are genuine Oz Racing, but we just don't know what they're
sure.
called.
I did know at one point, I forgot.
Yeah, that's what a colour choice, man. That's looking
I think it looks
fantastic.
great, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So we are fast approaching the end of this Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart project, and I notice there's a bit of orange in that gun. What's going orange? Oh, yes. Okay, I'm looking forward to this.
Two colours.
Yeah, grey and orange. Here we go.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm not sure.
That's quite orange. Yep, I'll give you that. That's quite orange.
I think the Monday was orange, wasn't it?
Well, it's certainly orange. It's certainly Ralliart orange. Right, well, I'll come back when they're all done. Have fun with that. well, Keith, that's certainly going to stand out for the rest, my friend.
I don't like it.
Change your mind.
Are you happy with it, bro?
I think I want a red one. No, it's great, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah, really pleased with that. Look, hey, reveal. Close your eyes.
It's nice. It's
Now
nice,
open them. Yeah.
It's nice touches like the indicators going orange.
Yeah,
Because you
tinted
can't
them
get an orange indicator.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's.
Tinted them orange. The
Tinted
clear
them
ones
orange.
tinted orange, just to tie in with the orange.
Yeah. Oh, it looks stunning, mate. I'm so pleased with you. Look at that orange badge. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Yeah, he's got to be dead happy with that. Look at that. Well, there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I like and subscribe. Oh, I could just see the pearlescent. Just see the pearlescent in this arch now, the camera. Yeah, as the sun's hitting that. Yeah, that's looking beautiful. Well, as we always say, like and subscribe. And if you want touch it up, Uncle Keith's your man.
Get down there. Touch up.
Beautiful. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, mate?
Well indeed.
Thank you.